Hi, I'm Janti from Seriously Keto. Today I'm going to show you how to do a cauliflower porridge in the Thermomix. I have here a range of condiments that can go with the porridge. But today this is what we need to make our pork cauliflower porridge. And we have here cauliflower that I've washed and chop it up a bit, but nice that we have this, so I can just throw everything in there. And for this amount, that's about 800 grams. We use about 150 grams of pork, and I like a fattier pork because as a keto, we need the fat from the meat for our body. And I also use as a base a bouillon, which is a chicken stock that is readily made in Seriously Keto. This bouillon is amazing. It has 19 ingredients in it, including chicken, real chicken in there, and it's been baked, it's been prepared, and it's really nice as a base of a stock. So today I'm going to use this, and I'm going to put for this amount, I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of this. And we're going to dilute this with water. Yeah, and for this amount of porridge cauliflower, we need about half a liter of water. So I got that ready. And for our thickener, because cauliflower is not the same as rice, so it does not have the starch that rice do to give you that starchy thing in the porridge. So we actually replaced it with santan gum, and it will give you that starch. Okay, I'm gonna throw this in here. Let's start with the small one first. We're gonna chop it up. I guess it's a bit too big, so I'm just gonna cut it up so that it'll fit into the hole here. And that's the best way to go. So I put everything in there. We can have a look now. See, that's how it should be. And now with that, we can actually put in the bouillon. And the water. And you can scrape this down a bit. Okay, we're gonna do this for about 15 minutes at about 100, and in between, like about 10 minutes, we're gonna put the pork in there, okay, and the santan gum. So let's go. 15 minutes on this at 100. Okay, I like to make it at 2, but then in the beginning I like to shake it up first to make sure that everything's like mixed up. Then we can go at 2 and just leave it there to cook. So 10 minutes has passed. I'm gonna stop this. So it's been cooking and it's been splattering. I forgot to put the splatter thing. Okay. So you can see that it's still watery like that. That's because, like I've said, cauliflower doesn't have the starch that rice does. So this is a good time to actually put in the pork that I want. You can actually also make meatballs and put it in later on reverse, but I just want to put pork in there because I didn't have time to make meatballs today. So yeah, that's gonna be cooked like that. And then I'm gonna continue this at 1.5 first. And this is the time that I want to put the xanthan gum through the hole. I'm gonna use half a teaspoon. That goes a long way. So, and I want to do it slowly, like really slow. It's not doing anything, so I'm gonna increase it. Yeah, so I need it to be moving, okay? So, and again, it depends on your liking. Some people like their porridge to be really smooth. Then you should have like chop it up really smoothly in the beginning. But I don't like it like that. I like to still have like a little bites of this and that. And so chopping it just now, like when it still have grains, I love it like that. So it's really up to you. So we're gonna let this go for another, finish up the 15 minutes that we did just now. So as we wait for our porridge to be done, I've actually came up with a few toppings out here. So this is the traditional toppings, I think. The mustard, sliced mustard. Do read the and nutrition facts back here, and read about the sugar contents. Okay, this one has total carbohydrates of 2.8 grams, and then there's only like less than 1 grams of sugar in here. So this is a good choice, which I actually like. And this is another one that I have found just today. This also has very little sugar, and this is the kuchai, I think that's what my mom said. Anyway, yeah, so these are all the Chinese, and this I got it from the Japanese market. It's a little bit sweeter, so you have to just be aware. Like I've always said to people, like anything that stays sweet in your tongue, if you know that it's not erythritol, the sugar that the ketonians use, then you should actually opt that out. Shallots, I fry this myself. This is safe as long as you don't put starch on it, is fine. And I found this one also is a bonito flake and sesame seeds in the Japanese market is really amazing. So this could be on top of that. And salted duck eggs. It comes like that. You clean it up, boil it, and that's how it is the inside. And of course, if you want to be lavish, you can put abalone in all this. And I like to have my porridge with sesame oil. You can use any sesame oil that you want. And as for chili, I depend on my Seriously Keto chili. This is a Seriously sambal. It has no sugar in it other than it's the carb that comes with the chili. So be aware that when you eat onions, or you eat chili, or you eat tomatoes, they have a little bit more carbs in it. So just be aware of what you eat, okay? The moment of truth. Ooh. Now you can see the texture. This is more gooey because of the xanthan, and it's ready. So if you want your porridge to be more watery, you can add more water to that. I mean, when you were cooking it, but that's the way I like it. And then you can dress this up with anything. Let's try this. And then we'll put this on there.